Mi gente, ¿qué es lo que ustedes dicen? You already know, man. Estamos afuera otra vez, vamos para la calle. Vamos a pasar hambre. Ya lo tengo hambre, I'm talking about that shit. Yo, so guys, you know, you guys already know what we're doing, man. If you guys ain't about this car life, man, leave now. Because what's about to happen is a movie. I'm over here with my boy. We're about to go link up with everyone else, see what's up. Y vamos a hacer cerito. In other words, donuts. What's up, baby? Guys, I had to pick up my camera because I knew this guy was gonna do some dumb shit. I knew it. I knew he was gonna do some stupid shit. You know, wait though, because you know, I don't know if the cameras is here. I know he was gonna do something stupid.
Fuck out my way, nigga. You pissing? Hell yeah. Fuck out my way, man. Vamos ahora.
Alright. Think about it, bro. So we went to the spot that we usually do it at, but the cops, bro, were waiting for us there, bro. So we had to leave. Should have recorded that. I ain't gonna lie, but you know we had to go because he going there. He going crazy. Nah. The cops over here, bruh. The cops over here. I'm out. Nah, I didn't even show you the cop, but I'm out. Fuck that. Nah, we out of here, man. Damn, I didn't even get that. I think I got it in the video, though. I need to call this nigga. Nah, the cops was there, boy. Yo. Nigga.
Yo.
That nigga came after. Nigga, I was gone, nigga.
He knew he was gonna came after me. It was over.
Yeah, he wasn't gonna
Why
get.
come for me?
Nigga, there was a car behind me, nigga. Le pasó por el lado con la luz prendida. Nigga, I was fucking gone, bro. I don't even know where that nigga at no more.
Nigga.
De que yo vi esa luz, my nigga. As soon as I saw, I was like, oh, hell no.
Yo quería que me cayera atrás, mi nigga.
Nah, él te pasó. Yeah, he came out. He saw. Once I saw the lights, and then there was a car in front of him, and I was like, oh shit, nigga, I booked it. And then él le pasó por el lado a él, and then came out, but he wasn't.
Nigga, I turned the corner, nigga. My traction was off. Nigga, I slid about that corner.
Where the fuck you at right now?
Nigga, can't see you.
Nigga.
On the fucking highway.
Nigga, I was like, nah, this nigga, cause I kept going straight. So for me, nigga, I had
you know the Riga, the Home Depot.
the Home Depot.
On Cerrigo, the Brookner.
Oh, the Cirig shit, yeah. You over there?
Go there. I'm by there already.
I don't know what's that spot. Let me look at that shit up. Hold up.
Home Depot, bro.
Nah, we on the second spot, man. We had to run away from the cops real quick. That nigga going crazy right now, bro. What's up, baby? Take me out to dinner. Leave it right there. Nigga, if anything, this one no tiene, you got, but that side got OD. This one doesn't. That shit, let me see. Yeah, I don't know, but getting chased by the cops kind of feels cool. I ain't gonna lie. Until you get caught, but you know. I don't know why. Don't tell me he's gonna try to spin around the pole, right? Of course the train had to come right when I'm about, pick up the. So the first spot we went to for the tire, they don't got. He said tomorrow. So, but it's usually what, $60 for used tires here. But this the other spot that we went to before, he was trying to charge us $90, bro, for used tires. He must be crazy, bro. Well, unless he got like a hookah for me or some shit or warranty on that hoe. Then nah, you wildin'. If you don't pay no $90 for a tire, you crazy? So we're gonna still go pull up on them right now and see maybe if he even got that tire, to be honest, because we don't even know. So we're gonna pop out right now and see if he got that tire. Other than that, man, we tireless right now. We about to be these cars are about to turn into ice skating cars, man. With no tires, but. Let's see what this guy says here. Damn, bro, sad day. I heard it from here that he don't got it. I heard him say that he don't got it. They don't got it, I bet.
Nope.
I knew it.
There's no other tires around here, so.
Ask him if he got 265.
265 what?
Just 265, 30, 19. We got lucky on this shit too. They barely had any, so we found one. I mean, for as long as that shit gonna last, this nigga don't know how to save nothing. Now Cubs is outside right now. What happened? Oh, what happened here, man? Cubs is outside.